cameras, because of the lenses and what they're on, there's something called depth of field. And the smaller the aperture, the bigger the depth of field. So the wider the aperture, the smaller the depth of field. And sometimes the depth of field means where the focus takes place. So you can have a depth of field that is that wide, so as long as you're in that position, you're in focus. But if the cameraman wants to go in very close and he wants to open up the aperture, the depth of field might be that small. So if you lean forward, Wayne, you're out of focus now.
In fact, do you want to come up in twos and you'll see on the viewfinder?
More than quote, because this level Matt is very.
Oh no, I want to see it.
This is not the point. It's not criticism of acting. It's just I'm just demonstrating.
Can you both see?
Yeah.
So yeah.
So this might be a problem that you need to be aware of sometimes. Everyone.
So lean forward for me, just so they can see. So I've then got to adjust very quickly to his movement. That was quite slow. So if you go back to your original position, and then do it quickly. See, it becomes a lot more difficult, especially as I don't have an assistant here. I've got to follow the movement and adjust the focus. So yeah, see there, just that little movement. Yeah. Well, typically when someone moves forward, leans forward like that, it's 2 feet. 2 to 3 feet, sometimes it's as much as 3 feet. You wouldn't think it's that much, would you? When you just, practice it in your chair now, just lean forward. You wouldn't think that you're moving forward that much, but you really are.
And these are the shots that you want. You know, you want those shots where you are absolutely filling the frame.
Yeah.
You know, these are the ones you really want it to be about you. So, but it's another bit of control that you've got to get.
See, that's a significant difference there. And do a quick one for me. See, that becomes really difficult to follow, especially on your own. If I've got an assistant who's focusing for me, it's still tricky. One more time, yeah.
Well done.
But yeah, it becomes really tricky.